Okay, so this lesson is on area of triangles. Yesterday we did area of parallelograms. Today we're doing area of triangles. Now the study guide that I gave you today, I want you to again glue it down on a tab. Tomorrow in class we're going to be doing an activity into your ISNs that kind of proves, well, it does prove the formula for area of a triangle. So I want you to have space underneath your study guides to do the activity that we're going to do. So just glue it down on a tab for tonight. Now if you look at the top of your study guide, it gives you the formula for area of a triangle. It also has area of a trapezoid, but we're not doing the trapezoids today, just the triangles. So we'll come back to this later. Right now I want to focus on area of a triangle. It says 1/2 the base times the height. So your process is going to be very similar. You're still going to find the base and the height of the triangle, multiply them together, but then you're going to take half of it, okay? Now another way to write this, and you might write this down on your study guides, is area equals base times height, and then when you take half of something, you're really just dividing by 2. So that might help some of you if you're scared of this fraction right here. It's really just division by 2. Base times height divided by 2. Okay? Now, we're going to work on this video these 2 triangles down here. Again, we're not doing the trapezoids today. Okay? Just the triangles. So go over to your teacher-student side. Give yourselves the columns. Okay, I'm going to do number 1. You're going to do number 2 for practice. Number 1 on your study guide gives you a triangle that looks something like this. I've got a 12-foot base, and then my height, they're going to draw the height for you because the height has to be perpendicular to the base. In other words, the height has to form a right triangle with the base, and they've given me a 7-foot height. Okay? Remember, first step to any formula math problem is write the formula. I'm going to write this one, base times height divided by 2, or you can write 1/2 the base times the height. It doesn't matter which one. Alright, I'm going to fill in my formula now. The base is 12, the height is 7, divided by 2. Don't forget to divide by 2. Alright, 12 times 7 is 84 divided by 2. 84 divided by 2 is 42, and that's feet squared. Okay? Same process almost. The only thing that's different than what we did yesterday is once you multiply the base times the height, then you have to divide by 2. So we only have one other problem to practice with, so we're going to do that on the student side. You bring it in tomorrow. They've given you a triangle that looks something like this. It's got a base of 7 millimeters, and then they've given you this additional line over here because the height can't be this slanted length here. It has to be this perpendicular length, and that is 9 millimeters. Okay, so your homework is to find the area of this triangle. That's it. Okay? So come in tomorrow having written the formula, filled it in, and calculated it. It must look like my work. Okay? I will see you tomorrow.